Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, give you guys an update. Today is the day where the F80 M3 is going to be sold. Again, the car is going to be traded in. If you guys seen the last couple of videos, the car is being traded into Roadshow BMW, which is where the dealership I purchased my G80 M3. And in a few weeks from now, I'm going to be picking it up in South Carolina at the BMW Performance Center. So again, today, this video is basically me showing you guys the car being transported and on its way, its new journey to Tennessee. It's going to be sold at BMW Roadshow or Roadshow BMW, and I believe that's in Cordova, Tennessee. So again, you can pick it up there if you want from Mcooper. He's my sales advisor, and he's been a great asset on this whole process, and he's been a good friend too. So other than that, I'll see you guys when the transporter gets here. So the transporter just called me. He is outside downstairs, so we're going to be bringing the car downstairs. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be missing this car. Definitely not in the shape where it's in right now, where it's stock. Definitely going to miss it how it was in its peak, where the BBS FIRs, the KWDDC suspension. So again, this is the next step towards the G80 M3. Alright, so this is the trailer that's going to be going up on. He was saying he's going to be picking up another car for the back over here in Orlando, so I guess mine will be sandwiched in the middle, which is fine. I guess he just picked this one up, he was telling me earlier, from Miami. So it's going to be a long drive. But I'm going to be documenting the whole thing for you guys. It's definitely going to suck seeing this car be going away, but again, it's time for it to go. Alright guys, that's it. The car's loaded up. It's on its way to Tennessee. Orlando, then Tennessee. He has to pick up another car, so I'm gonna miss it. Alright guys, the vehicle's gone. Just to give you guys a little insight, the guy was pretty cool. The driver, I didn't really get his name, but I know he has to pick up another car in order to transport it to Tennessee. He's from Arkansas, real nice guy. I think he is a Russian descent. He has a nice deep accent. But other than that, he was very detail oriented. He had to make sure that he took pictures of everything, any little minor rock chips. He took pictures of that for documentation purposes. But again, I text Marcus Cooper, my sales advisor, that the vehicle is gone. The vehicle's loaded up and ready to go. It should be at his dealership tomorrow. So I'm hoping that Marcus could get some footage of it coming off the trailer and stuff, and maybe I could use it in this video. If I did, then you'll see it. If I don't, then you won't see it. But other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hey, what's up guys? Marcus Cooper, or as some of you may know me as 435 Vibes, the guy with the white 4 Series. Today, we got a little something from Florida. Austin Yellow Gold F80, as a lot of you may know it. Seen it, love it. The Daily Drivens. So it came all the way down from Florida. He had it picked up Friday, and the guy dropped it off late Saturday evening. And honestly, all the way from Florida to here on the truck, it's not really dirty at all. The car is pretty much immaculate. It looks really good. I really love the paint matched brake calipers on there. It just gives it a nice touch of detail and a nice flare. Carbon fiber spoiler, you've got a carbon fiber roof, of course, mirror caps all the way around, of course, carbon fiber front. Super clean interior, almost like no one's ever sat in the rear. Super clean. Gotta have the Harman Kardon surround sound in there, otherwise you're not really jamming out at all. Really low miles for a 2018, 35,487. Of course, most important part is the 6-speed, more carbon fiber interior trim, little exhaust clip. Never gets old. So that's gonna wrap up the walk around of Ken's car. If any of you are interested in possibly picking up the car, you can feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram at 435_vibes, or you can shoot me an email at mcooper@roadshowbmw.com. Again, it is here in Roadshow BMW, Memphis, Tennessee. Super clean car. It's a 2018 M3 Austin Yellow Gold with black interior, and of course, 6-speed manual transmission. So if you want any more details, have any questions, feel free to contact me. Peace out, guys.